student. My name is Swapna Singh and today we are going to discuss about pharmaceutical powders. So in last lecture we have already discussed what are powders, what are pharmaceutical powders. So today we are going to discuss about simple and compound powders for internal use. So in this form of powder, each individual dosage is enclosed in paper and the number of ingredient is one, that is simple powder, while more than one, that is compound powder. And the minimum quantity of each powder should not be less than 100 mg, for it can be handled conveniently by patient and can be weighed accurately. So this is simple powder. Simple powder contain only one ingredient, either in crystalline form or amorphous form. So if the powder present in crystalline form, then it is reduced to fine powder weight and powder and divided into number of doses and wrapped as individual dose. Like dispense 6 powder of aspirin, each powder contains 300 mg of aspirin. That means simple powder always contain only one ingredient. It do not contain more than one ingredient or other medicaments, because it is simple powder. If it contain more than one ingredient or more than one medicament, it is known as compound powder. The simple powder is always present in the form of crystalline, or sometimes it is present as amorphous form. So if it is present in crystalline form, then it is reduced to fine powder weight and powder and divided into number of doses and wrapped as individual dose. Next, there is a formula of simple powder, that is aspirin 300 mg. So the procedure for the preparation of pharmaceutical powder of aspirin 300 mg, the powder the aspirin and weigh the required quantity of aspirin. After that, weigh 300 mg of aspirin for each powder and wrap each powder in individual powder paper. Direction for the use: so one powder to be taken after every 8 hours. So this is the direction for use. We should take one powder after every 8 hours. Next is compound powders. So compound powders contain two or more than two substances which are mixed together. If it contain only one substance, that is known as simple powder, but if it contain two or more than two substances, so this is known as mixed, and the mixed together are known as compound powder. So then compound powders divided into desired number of individual doses and then dispensed into each powder paper. So examples of compound powder is dispense 8 powder of APC, each powder contain 500 mg of APC. APC, that means aspirin, paracetamol and caffeine powder. So formula for APC powder 500 mg, that is aspirin, it must be 300 mg, paracetamol the quantity is 150 mg, and the caffeine, the quantity of caffeine must be, it should be 50 mg. So for the preparation of compound powder or for preparation of APC powder, firstly we weigh accurately each powder and then mix them as per ascending order of their weight. So weigh 500 mg of mixed powder for each powder and wrap each dose individual in powder paper. Next, powders enclosed in sachets and capsules. So sachets are solid dosage form of drug, and sachets are also called as wafer capsule. So this is a form of capsule. You can say it is a wafer capsule. It is always present. It is a type of solid dosage form of drug, and they are available in sachets, and these are molds from rice flour. Rice paper prepared by mixture of rice flour with water and closed in between two hot or polished cylinders. So then water was evaporated and wafer is formed. So in sachets, the 0.2 to 1.5 gram of nauseous or disagreeable drugs in powder form are closed. So sachets are quite hard. So before swallowing, they dipped in water for seconds and then placed on the tongue and swallowed for draught of water. And after the swallowing, the sachets gets disintegrate and drug is released and reaches to the systemic circulation. So because of its hardness, sachets firstly dip into the water for some time and then placed into the tongue, and it will swallowed with draught of water, and after the swallowing it will get disintegrate and drug will be released to reach the systemic circulation or to the bloodstream. Advantages of sachets, that is first advantage of sachets, that is made easily. Second is disintegrate quickly in stomach. Third one is drug can be easily dispersed. Fourth one is large doses of drug can be swallowed by using sachets. So these all are the advantages. And after this much advantages, there are some disadvantages of sachets. The first one is it can be easily damaged by distribution and required softened before use or swallowing. It cannot be protect the enclosed drug from light and moisture, and they are not suitable for filling the drug in large scale. It is always available in a small scale or laboratory scale preparation, and they occur more space compared with tablet and capsule solid doses form. So sachets are two types. First one is wet seal sachets and dry seal. So first one is wet seal. In wet seal, it is made up of two similar convex halls having flat edges. So firstly, where all the powder drugs is placed in one half, and the edges of other half are moistened with water and placed exactly over the first half containing of the drug. And the flat edges of the both halls are pressed together in order to seal it perfectly. This is the diagram of wet seal sachets. This is the apparatus for preparation of wet seal sachets. Dry seal sachets, it consists of two holes, the upper half and lower half. So the diameter of upper half is slightly larger than lower half, and the powder drug is filled in lower half. Upper half is fitted over it like a capsule, and the filled sachets are then sealed in a machine by pressing the two holes, removed and packed in boxes. So BPC include two sachets, sodium amino salicylate and sodium amino salicylate with ionized. Compressed powder or tablet. Compressed powder is also known as tablet and or tablet triturate or molded tablets. So in that powder, in that powders molded into tablets, they are flat circular disc, usually contain potent drug. They are flat circular disc and usually contain potent drug. So its shape is completely depend upon the mold. So whatever the size, whatever the shape we have selected, so the compressed powder or you can say the tablet triturate must be in that particular shape. So in that potent drug are mixed with lactose, dextrose or some other diluents. For them, that means these all are the ingredients, or you can say these all are the ingredients for the preparation of compressed powder. The used apparatus is made up of stainless steel or plastic. It consists of upper and lower perforated plates and having the same number of holes. So the lower plate also have two large plates with ensure correct fitting of the plate, and they are available in several sizes having a capacity ranging from 30 to 250 mg, and generally 50 to 250 tablet triturates can be prepared at a time from tablet triturate mold. So this is the diagram of apparatus for the preparation of tablet triturate, and the powder with dilute are mixed together and made a stiff paste with the help of alcohol 60%. Firstly, we weigh the powder or the active pharmaceutical ingredients, then we dilute and mix together and made a stiff paste with the help of 60% of alcohol, and then paste is introduced into the upper plate with the help of spatula and fill all the holes and remove excess. So the plate is placed over the lower plate and then little pressure is applied over the top plate which will force the plate move downward and leaving the mold tablet onto the projected page. So then prepared tablet is dried in hot air oven by keeping in warm place at a particular temperature.